we will do a new module, module 25. This is about computation of rent-free accommodation and concessional rental accommodation. The same module we have divided. We are giving one more module, module 26 as per the new rule. This is as per the old rule. So module 25 is as per the old rule, which is applicable from 1/4/23 to 31/8/23. So first we will see this. In the next module, same problems as per the new rule we will work out. So general information, if you see, rent-free accommodation, employees are divided into two. Employees are divided into two. First is government and second is non-government. Non-government. So government, if you see, how you do the valuation is license fees fixed by the government. This will be given in the problem. Non-government employees, house owned by the employer. Owned by the employer and house hired by the employer. Two classifications are there. So this is the basic structure for computation. Now classification of cities. Here you have to see city A, city B and city C. City A meaning population exceeding 25 lakhs. Then 10% of salary will be applicable. This is as per 2001 census. New rule meaning 2011 census values we will take, and these rates also will change. So here it is 10%. Here it is if population is exceeding 15 lakhs but not less than 25, but less than 25 lakhs. Then this is 15%. First is 15%, 10% and 7.5%. 7.5%. These rates will change for the new rule. So here if it's hired by the employer, 15% of salary or actual lease rent paid by the employer, whichever is less. So here the computation is very simple. Here it is population having 25 lakhs, exceeding 25 lakhs. Next is population exceeding 10 lakhs but less than 25 lakhs. City C meaning population less than 10 lakhs. Now accommodation taken on hire, this always students will make the mistake. You have to see that if it's not owned by the employer meaning 15% of salary or actual lease rent paid by the employer, whichever is less. Now what all are included for salary computation? RFA computation we usually advise the students to do as the last part of the salary question, because all allowances, all taxable items are taxed. So if you see salary, basic pay or wages, dearness allowance if it's entering into retirement benefits, commission, bonus, fees, value of all taxable allowances. That's why I told you after calculating all allowances then you do the RFA computation. So any other monetary benefits which is chargeable to tax. One thing we have to mention, leave encashment. If it's encash while in service, it is taxable. So that also will be included. So leave encashment, if it pertains to the leave earned during the previous year in which rent-free accommodation is provided to the employee, then that value also will be added for computation of salary. Now furnished, unfurnished. See this computation we will explain with the help of the problem. Unfurnished meaning we have to take only the value of RFA. Furnished meaning we have to add 10% of the furnished value. If 2 lakhs furniture is provided, 2 lakhs into 10 by 100 will be added to, that is 20,000 will be added to the value of RFA. So here you have to remember this percentage values also have included. Now, so unfurnished, cost of furnishing will not come. Furnished meaning cost of furnishing will come along with RFA value. Then actual hiring charges will also be added. Now gardener's salary, that is important for 2 marks question. If the house is owned by the employer, value of gardener or the salary paid to the gardener is included in the rent-free accommodation. So we don't have to worry about that. If the house is owned by the employee or hired by the employer, full gardener's salary is taxable. Even if he has paid not for the full month, even if part month salary is paid, full month salary will be included. Now the point I want to, usually students will make, if the accommodation is hired by the employer, 15% of salary or lease rent paid by the employer, whichever is less. Now concessional rental accommodation. Concessional rental accommodation, value of RFA you have to calculate. See, value of RFA you calculated as 1 lakh. Imagine the employer has deducted 50,000 from the employee's salary for this. So that meaning concessional rental accommodation value is 50,000. So the computation is simple. RFA value, whatever you have to compute, you have to compute less the rental value, the nominal amount the employer will be charging, that you have to subtract. Then you will get concessional rental value. Now we will do the problems. First problem, it's very simple. Mr. K is working in a central government office. You have to remember he is a government employee. So that license fees fixed by the government will be taxed. Salary 72,000 per month. DA not entering into retirement benefits 48,000 per month. Hill compensatory allowance 12,000 per month. Transport allowance 9,600 per month. He is provided with a rent-free house. License fee is 7,200. 7,200. So this value we have to take. All other information is not required. Cost of furnishing is 45,000. Compute the value of rent-free accommodation. So here you have to remember that this is a furnished accommodation. License fee is equal to 7,200. Then 10% of cost of furnishing. 45,000 into 10 by 100, you will get 4,500. So 11,700 is the value of RFA. RFA value is 11,700. Now second problem, if you see, Mr. A gets a salary of 1,20,000 per month and is provided with a rent-free unfurnished accommodation. In Chennai, population 20 lakhs as per 2001 census with a fair rental value of rupees 13,000 per month. He is not a government employee, so fair rental value has no relevance in this question. He has encashed his leave during the current previous year and he got 60,000. So house provided to him with effect from 1st July 24. His salary is due on the 1st of next month. That meaning July he will get it on August. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. We will calculate RFA for 1 year, then we will reduce it to 8 months because he enjoyed only for 8 months. Now the computation is calculate the gross salary. This also students should remember because always they will stop with the RFA computation. Then gross salary also we have to compute. So first thing is, what is the salary for RFA computation? His monthly salary is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 12. That is 14,40,000. 14,40,000. Now leave encashment is there 60,000. 60,000. So this also you have to add. So salary for the computation of RFA is 15 lakhs. Now his salary, his population is 20 lakhs. That meaning 10% of the salary will come. That meaning 1,50,000. 1,50,000 will come is the value of RFA. Because we have three rates, 15%, 10% and 7.5% as per the old rule. So 1,50,000. This is for 1 year. So 1,50,000 into 8 by 12. That is equal to rupees 1 lakh. This will be the value of RFA. So this is the computation. Now gross salary is the question. So you have to write basic salary 14,40,000, leave encashment 60,000 and RFA. RFA 1 lakh. RFA 1 lakh. So the gross salary is 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs. Now next question, problem 3. Mr. A has furnished the following details. Salary 1 lakh per month. DA at the rate of 5,000 per month, entering into retirement benefits. Entertainment allowance 6,000 per month. Bonus 84,000. Cost of furnishing 2 lakhs. Calculate if A is a government employee and the license fee fixed by the government is 30,000 per month. So calculate the value of RFA. Government employee meaning you have to remember 30,000 into 12. 30,000 into 12. That only we will take. So that meaning 3,60,000. Now it's furnished accommodation. 2 lakhs worth of furniture is provided. 10% you have to take. That meaning 2 lakhs into 10 by 100, 20,000. So value of RFA is 3,80,000. Value of furnished accommodation. Now sub-question for the same problem. A is working in a semi-government organization. See, classification is only government and non-government. There is nothing like semi-government. So you have to go with the population of the city. Population more than 25 lakhs as per 2001 census. Fair rental value of the house is 10,000. Compute the value of RFA. Now, population of the city is about 25 lakhs, meaning 15% of salary you have to take. So, the salary for the computation of RFA, we have to calculate salary 1 lakh into 12. 1 lakh into 12. 12 lakhs, correct? Then DA 5,000 into 12. 5,000 into 12, 60,000. 60,000. Now, entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance is 5,000 into 12. 6,000 into 12. 6,000 into 12, 72,000. 72,000. Now, bonus 84,000. Bonus 84,000. Bonus 84,000. Therefore, salary for computation of RFA 14 lakhs 16,000. 16,000. Now we have to take 15% of this value because population is exceeding 25 lakhs. So 14 lakhs 16,000 into 15 by 100. So the value is 2 lakhs 12,400. Now it's a furnished accommodation. So 2 lakhs into 10 by 100 you have to add. So the value is 2 lakhs 32,400. This is the value of furnished RFA. Now same question, again one more sub question. A is working in a private sector at Hyderabad. Population below 10 lakhs as per 2001 census. That meaning 7.5% you have to take. You have to take that value. That is, and the fair rental value is 30,000 per month. He is provided with a hired refrigerator and hiring charges is 6,000 per month. Fair rental value of the house hired by the employer. That meaning you have to remember 15% of salary will be applicable, not 10%. Because if you go by population, if population is less than 10 lakhs, meaning you have to take 7.5%. But here accommodation is hired by the employer. So 15% of salary, we have already calculated 2,12,400. Rent paid by the employer you have to take 30,000 into 12. That is 3,60,000. So whichever is less, this value or this value. This value is the less value. So RFA is 2,12,400. Here also hiring charges you have to add, that is 20,000. So 2,32,400. Now again he has hired refrigerator. Refrigerator value is 6,000 into 12. Hiring charges you have to add, actual hiring charges 72,000. So here 3,04,400 will be the value of RFA. Now again one more question. A is working in private sector at Delhi. Population is about 25 lakhs as per 2001 census. Fair rental value of the house not owned by the employer is 30,000 per month. So it's 15% of salary. We will not go by population values. So here 2,12,400 we calculated and that cost of furnishing 20,000. So the value of RFA is 2,32,400. Now the next question is, last question, that is A is working in private sector, population about 25 lakhs, rental value of the house not owned by the employer. We already calculated 2,12,400. Now employer is deducting 10,000 from A's salary for the rental accommodation. That meaning RFA value minus this value. Then it will become concessional rental accommodation. So here value of RFA we have already calculated 2 lakhs. This is concessional rental accommodation. RFA is 2,12,400. Now employer is deducting 10,000 per month. So 10,000 into 12. 1,20,000 you have to reduce. So that meaning 92,400. Now add cost of furnishing. Cost of furnishing 20,000. 1,12,500 will be the value of concessional rental accommodation. It's not RFA, it's concessional rental accommodation. So this is what I wanted to explain. Happy learning. Thank you.